ಇಂಥ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಕೆಲವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನಾವು ಟಾಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇವರು ಓದ್ ಜನ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಥ್ರೂ ಐಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್.
How amazing it is.
So, so in the brain, our occipital region, this eye, occipital is for the eye. Those cells, they definitely got information. We see Lal Bagh, so many places. All those photos are here now. Now that photo can be projected outside and we can photograph. Now my research ends. When it ends, if I hypnotize a boy and regress to his past life, he gives so many oral evidence, his father name, mother name, house, all details. That is on one side. Now we ask him to concentrate on his past life, father, mother, brothers, everybody, one by one, and ask him to project it. Take a photo. If photo comes, and this photo, he is unaware of it because he was hypnotized.
Where does the photo come?
On the mobile.
Okay.
Some photography. There are so many types. Old photography is different.
Okay.
Tatographic studies an extraordinary mind. That actually I brought that camera once. Polaroid camera. There is something like Polaroid camera.
Yes.
So, in that camera you project. Then you take out the photo. Already print will be there automatically. There is a color photo in Polaroid camera. If such photos comes, then if you take that photo and oral evidence, this boy is unaware. You go to that place, say Delhi or Bombay, whatever the information, we got the address. Now you have sent the location, we came to your house. In the same way, go to that location, and there whatever people relation he told, all the photo already there. Such people are really there. Then what else? So no idiot scientist will ask better proof than that.
Yes.
That's what this thing. And one particular person by name Ted, he was able to project his thoughts in such a way it can be photographed.
Okay.
One particular doctor who is a psychiatrist, when he came to know that, he asked him to project so many things. And a book was published, the book is with me.
Oh, okay.
So suppose one particular building, say Vidhan Sauda, that Vidhan Sauda, you project means you project and Vidhan Sauda photo come to Polaroid camera.
Oh, God.
So such things are there. But at that time, the electronic technology was not much.
Now, if you take of the photographs that I remember, there's a proof that it is true. Because I remember the photos that I saw when I was young.
Now, I will try to get that Polaroid camera and give it to you. So, Polaroid camera is such a camera. There is one particular sheet. So, when you click it, automatically a color photo will come there. You take out in Polaroid camera. So wherever we click, we get this thing. Now he was able to do that, one person.
Okay.
Why he was able to do? He was little alcoholic. The alcoholic people go to subconscious and they were able to project this thing. Then I purchased one Polaroid camera. I tried. At that time, this technology was not developed. Now if somebody comes forward to not give the money, this instrument and I can try on so many people. Nowadays I am not doing hypnotism on anybody.
Okay.
I have done a lot of these things.
Okay.
Only for research purpose I used to do. Because that is more important. So I am thinking in that line. Now you try to concentrate for some time about your past life father. This life don't worry. Past life father, mother, or even this life also you take the photo of your son. Now we are getting the photo of your son. The son is not there. Without your son you can get a photo.
Okay.
At that time, so any photo, anything we have seen, it was there in some form inside. No, how can it happen, all these things? Now this is what TV is doing. Our great poet is there. ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುವೆಂಪುಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕವಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, all these things. He was knowing, he was a great man. But once his son-in-law, Dr. Surendra, who was working as an orthopedician in Martha's hospital, he went to foreign and purchased this audio video camera. He came without showing to him. He was coming to the house from near the compound. He photographed him, everything. And they were also talking. So everything again rewinded. Then they have shown, what is this? Kuempu. He is like me only. And he is talking like me. Whether it is my devil or what. 1 or 2 days he has never come to his proper senses. It is written in his biography. I have read his biography. So even though great people are there, this thing, when we don't know something and it's amazing for the first time, without telling anything, they don't know. You go to village side,
Correct.
take the photos and show them. What is this? Like that, our great Kuempu also wondered. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೃದುಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದೋ ನಾವು. ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಜನ್ಮದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಸಿ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಂದಿ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಚಾರಗಳಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಅವ್ರ ತಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ನ ಇವ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ತಗೊಂಡು ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ. ದಿ ವಿಚ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕಲಿ 100%. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೌ ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಮದರ್. ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ photograph through polaroid camera. Already one particular TED series in America was able to project his thought in such a way it can be photographed. It was the book was written about this. That is the only means to give 100% scientific proof for reincarnation. So I wrote, already published this. I have given the methodology how to do it. If anybody does it in the world, it's very good. That's why I gave all the method to them in my thesis. So ಇವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹರ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೈ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೋ ಜನತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೌ